Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be recreating a spa-like bath at home that'll leave you feeling refreshed with very soft skin. We'll be using just a few simple ingredients in the Serenelife electric massage mat. I ordered mine off Amazon, and basically it transforms your bathtub into like a spa jacuzzi bath. It feels so good. Just stay tuned. Okay, so here is the mat, and it comes with little suction cups on the bottom so it sticks to your bathtub floor, and you plug the hose into the machine, then the machine into the wall, and when you turn it on, voila, a jacuzzi right there in your bathtub. So the first ingredient I like to use is a bubble bath, like a bubble. I like the breezy ocean foaming bath because a little goes a long way. Just pour in a few drops or swigs, because once that machine is turned on, it literally transforms 3 bubbles into like 300. So next we're going to add in some coconut oil. Always get the cold pressed and unrefined, because that type has the most antioxidants. So we want to get the maximum benefit, so get that time and add in a few clumps. Don't worry, the clumps will melt. Once the hot water reaches them, it definitely will melt. Next we're going to add in about a cup or so of Epsom salt. I always mix my salt with essential oil. I like rosemary and lavender. Just add in a few drops, mix it together, and just pour it in. Drop it in. If you're like me, you want the very last bit, I run into some water to make sure I get all of it out, and then pour it all in. And here's the Epsom salt that I use. Get an 8-pound bag from Walmart for $5. Okay. Apple cider vinegar with the mother. This is going to help restore your skin's natural pH balance, and it also helps lock in moisture. I would say about a half a cup, because it doesn't smell that good. So I'd like a half a cup into a bathtub this size. And that's pretty much it. Just let all the ingredients come together and let your bathtub fill up to the desired amount. And guess what? I'll be right back. In the meantime, we'll go ahead and set up our humidifier. You can add in essential oils here too. You can do eucalyptus, peppermint, vanilla, and it shoots out this type of mist. So it adds moisture to the air, and it smells good, and the light is cool. So I love using this during my spa, like bath time at home. Can't forget the music. Go ahead and grab your Bluetooth speaker. Apple Music has great spa-like playlists, so go ahead and have that play in the background if you really want to catch the vibe. Oh, and you cannot forget the candles. Who doesn't like candles? You can get cheap candles from Walmart, like $2 or $3, and just set them around your bathtub, your sink. Get some tea light candles, set those up. It just increases ambiance, this pleasant mood. It makes such a big difference. Do it. Just do it. And that's it. Hop in, turn it on, relax, unwind. Just give yourself some me time. Turn the lights out too. Turn the lights out. You need to relax, girl. Just have fun. Dealing with the kids all day. You at work. Come home and just have fun in your bathtub, okay? Oh, don't forget the green tea. Well, I like green tea, but you can use wine, lemon water, sangria, juice, whatever drink you like. Just have it on the side of you. Just relax with your drink, your bathtub, your candles, and a good book. Can't go wrong there. Alrighty, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.